Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get blurred background on your video in CapCut. So here, I've already added a clip to my CapCut, and next what you need to do is copy the original clip. Okay, click on copy and then add the copied version, the second one in here. Click on you need to remove the background of the copied video, so click on the video and then choose cut out and click on remove background, and just wait until CapCut remove the background of the video. Okay, so the background now has been removed, and then you need to move the clip to the overlay by clicking on the clip and choose overlay, and here align the video with the first one I mean, sorry. Okay, so you need to align it like this, and then after that tap on the original video and then go to effect. Oops. Okay, so and the first video, go to effects and click on video effects and find blur effect. So this one's right here, click on the blur, and then after that just adjust the effect into your liking. You can swipe it like this. Okay, so I'm going to just go with 20 and then click on a check icon and expand the blur for the rest of the video. Okay, like this, and here is the final result with the blurred background. Okay guys, so that's the tutorial on how you can get blur background in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next following video. Thank you.